Chingaki abasae bararirie gochigokora okorobekana chitariki 25 cy'omutienyi oyo nigo ekanisa ya Katoliki yasokirie na kugikeria ebiombe by'ebibago ebi byabeire bigosagana abakorobekana nabo igo koiba enibo y'abakenya batari na mamochande bakorawa n'Omo'asikobu omonene bw'ekanisa ya Katoliki ase diocese ya Nairobi Philiph Anyolo nigo atebire ogwancherwa kw'ebibago ebyo byabwate ebibago inse y'oborendi bw'abanyanyimbo no kogosereria ase oborendi egento kirema mincha gochia ase abakenya bakorobekana
picketing or whatever it is, demonstrations, that they are held in a manner that it will bring profit, it will bring goodness, it will bring success to those even who are doing, without killings and without hurting anybody, because it causes a lot. Again, the parents of those children are mourning, they lost them. Not only this ones here, but all along the history when these things began. We ask again that it should not be happening, and let us stop it. And even the one that is going to take place, if it will at all, on the 25th, we want it to be done in a manner that we know and we understand what we are doing, and the people who are doing it also gain the fruit and gain the reasons what they are doing as such.
Nonye nabo nigo bakwanere omoroberi babwate gochia sabasae erio kwene kiangwe konya bare ase amatukare bosio.
Have a program where the youth are able to get small loans, and they are able to start their own small businesses and grow those businesses. But before they get the loans, we train them on financial literacy, we train them on financial education, we expose them to various support structures, and we follow up thereafter to just ensure that their businesses are growing and in the right direction.
Ayo nigachire chingaki abasae basangirekanire aso mucho Nairobi ase kerenga gyokobeka chimaski eriko muinyora omusae orekon chimaski oyora setweri sasiri tkoria chumaine chingaki chokorobekana ngoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa aso muchi o Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambani.